Hey cutie patooties, Miss P here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to perform snake arms. Snake arms are undulations of the arms. They're fluid, sensual movements, super great for building strength and mobility in the shoulders, and also super fun and sexy, nice to express yourself. So let's get started. Cueing music. Boom. So let's begin. First things first, I want you to sit up as tall as you can, lower and extend your arms. I want you to lift your shoulders and relax down. Try that with me. I want lift up towards your ears, press down towards the floor. Lift up and down. Good. Now, the up is typically easier than the down, so I want you to give me your best at focusing and connecting with the down, meaning pull those shoulder blades, those scapula down. Lifting up is great, but pressing down is where I want that energy, that emphasis, that connection. One more time. Lift up and down. Now we're going to take it forward. Forward, up, roll it back down. Forward, up, roll it back down. Now this is tricky. Why is it tricky? Because the arms are going to want to get involved. They're going to want to play. No, girls, you were not invited. This is solely shoulder circles. So I want you to think about rolling those shoulders back. Now, if arms here is uncomfortable, you can always relax your hands on your thighs, okay? That is completely okay. What I want you to do is connect with you, make it yours. Do you, make it comfortable for you, okay? Last time, and now I'm gonna add on. Check me out. I want elbows and come down. What? Yup, elbows and come down. Look at me, I'm like a puppet. And there's two strings attached to my elbows. And there's a puppeteer lifting my elbows up and dropping me down. Keeping in mind my rib cage is lifted. I'm not sunken in if I can help it. So I'm not looking for this. If possible, lift your chest as high as you can. One more time. Now check me out. I'm going to add on. Give me shoulders, elbows, brush, and down. What? Shoulders, elbows, wrists, and down. Can you try that with me? Let's go. Lift, 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 and press. Beautiful. Try that with me. We have three parts. Shoulders, elbows, wrists, reach up, float down. One more time. Shoulders, elbows, wrists. Can you smooth that out? Can you connect that movement? Can you fly like a bird? Imagine you're a bird in the sky. You're looking over wherever you live. I live in Miami, so I'm flying over Miami. Beautiful. Try that with me. 4 and 3 and 2. Last time, rest. Wow. Let's do a little stretch. Pull, switch, and pull. Little stretch, releasing the shoulders, the deltoids. Shake it out. All right, we're going to add on to this. Check me out. We're going to bring the arms low, naturally where they rest. Chest up, suck the belly in, strong core. Shoulders, elbows, wrists, and down. Now I want you to do it as small as you can, thinking about keeping your fingers below your nose, okay? And now above your belly button. What? So we're going to have a smaller range of motion. It's going to get a little trickier. Sometimes when we perform this, our arms tend to lock up. I want you to think about elongating. Elongating. Last time, and rest. Here's a little trick. Take your hand, grab a pretend paintbrush, dip it in some paint, hold your brush. I want you to paint the wall diagonally, up and down. Wrist up, wrist down. Try that with me. Wrist up, wrist down. All the while, shoulder, elbow, wrist, shoulder, elbow, wrist. Now, pretty hands. Paint that wall. Remember Karate Kid, Mr. Miyagi? I think there's a move like this where he kind of comes up and down. He makes him paint the fence. That's probably where I got this analogy from. Last time, rest, other side. Okay, so take your paintbrush, dip it in the paint, and begin to paint your fence. Your fence is on a diagonal from you, so your fence is not necessarily straight in front of you, and it's not necessarily directly to the side. Give me a nice angle, a nice 45-degree angle, if you will, halfway between those 2 points. Pretty hands, up and down, painting the fence. Up and down, one more time. Up, beautiful. And rest. Shake it out. Shake it out. Now let's put this together. Check me out. Chest up, shoulders down, arms. Give me. Paint the fence up, paint the fence other side. Paint the fence up, paint the fence down. Brush and brush one more time. Now we're going to alternate. Watch me. One goes up, one goes down. Lift, lift, drop, drop. So we're alternating. Our arms are working in tandem. Now roll those shoulders back. 4, 3, 2. Can you make them smaller? Hang in there. 4, 3. Energy in the fingers. 2. Combination. Then we're done. Give me slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. What? Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Really roll the shoulders if you can. Good. Energy flowing through your arms, coming all the way through your fingers. Last time. Slow, slow, quick, quick, rest. Bravo. Give yourself a hug. Hold on to your back. Grip your scapula, your shoulder blades, and push your shoulders down. Not only are you hugging yourself, but you're stretching your shoulders. Switch, cross over, reach behind, grip, push down. Nice. Let's take this to a deeper stretch. Open arms. Cross that right arm under. Pull the left arm over. Point the shoulder down and stretch. Good work. Yeah, so practice this over and over. Slower fluid movements, believe it or not, take longer for the brain to learn. So this is a nervous system thing. This is a brain thing. This is a cognitive thing. Sharp movements in belly dance come easier. They come quicker. Muscle groups are working in tandem. Snake arms are fluid, so they're a little bit more complex, okay? Shake out your arms. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Give yourself a hug again. And kisses. Try it again. Good job.